Yo, what's good? Yo, welcome back to another Crash video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like 1AM. I covered my first on FaceTime off of his recent EP. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and play the cover right now for you.
Yeah, wow, wow, yeah. Yes, and bitch, I aim high. Cool yellow like beehive. Right now, I'm just gonna be high. That hoe try to give me FaceTime. She hit me on FaceTime. What a time to be alive. Celebrate, get someone. I just do it, I don't want. Pussy hoe, beat the spine. Broke dude, don't respond. Twin turbo, here one. Y'all hate up on online. Bitch.
Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and play the vocals for you guys. I'm gonna turn off the presets so you can hear the differences between them on and off.
Okay.
Yeah, wow. Wow, yeah.
Yes, and bitch, I aim high. Cool yellow like beehive. Right now, I'm just gonna be high. That hoe try to give me FaceTime. She hit me on FaceTime. What a time to be alive. Celebrate, get someone. I just do it, I don't want. Pussy hoe, beat the spine. Broke dude, don't respond. Twin turbo, here one. Y'all hate up on online. Bitch ain't mine like, hey.
And this is just the main by itself. Yeah, wow, yeah.
Yes, and bitch, I aim high. Cool yellow like beehive. Right now, I'm just gonna be. Okay. Hey.
Yeah. Alright, you get the idea. Okay, so the presets themselves is not hard to put together. I'm gonna pull it up right here. Should be right here. Yeah, there you go. Alright. So once you get the preset loaded into your FL folder, wherever you want to put it, you have them. All you gotta do is drag the main, boom. Route for all, boom. Ad lib, boom. And then you go over, hover over the main, click this right here, put it right there on route for all, and do the same thing for the ad lib. Click this, and then have this, and into the route for all, and only have the route for all going into the master. And that's pretty much it. That's all I had to do right here. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this and not make it confusing. Yeah, this is the auto-tune. This is the auto-tune settings for both of them. There's no OTT or anything. No paid plugins. This is all stock plugins. And all it uses is just auto-tune. That's the only one that's not stock. And then if you want to hear yourself, you do this right here. I personally keep it off because I don't know, it just doesn't help me and it makes me stumble on my words. But what I do is just turn this down right here, so it still records directly into the preset, but I just don't hear myself. So you could do that as well. You could do it for this too, the ad-lib. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. There's always two different versions. The one with just the presets, you get these three presets, and then the FOPs comes with the whole FOP right here, and literally exactly how it is. This doesn't matter. Exactly how it is with the actual song. Obviously, whatever it does, whatever, and then the beat, the song. Let me do it. And then you get the actual vocals of the song.
Yes, and bitch, I aim high. Cool yellow like beehive. Right now, I'm just gonna be high. That hoe try to give me FaceTime.
She hit me on FaceTime. What a time to be alive. Celebrate, get someone. I just do it, I don't want. Pussy hoe, beat the spine. Broke dude, don't respond. Twin turbo.
And yeah, that's pretty much it for this preset. It's super simple, super easy to use. It's a really good underground preset just for any type of songs, like especially obviously 1AM type beat songs or whatever. But yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Thank you everybody for all the support, and yeah, just make sure you join this Discord, follow the Instagram in the description, and yeah, let me know if y'all need any help, and peace out.